Boosting memory is essential for adults in all walks of life. It can enhance daily life, whether you're managing work, family, just staying sharp as you age. Memory is the process of acquiring, storing, and retrieving information. Factors like age, diet, lifestyle, stress, and sleep quality affect it. Here are some tips to boost your memory. Healthy diet. Eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days. Mental exercises. Challenge your brain with puzzles and learning new skills. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Stress management. Practice yoga, deep breathing, and hobbies. Mindfulness and meditation. Improve focus and cognitive flexibility. Social interaction. Engage in social activities to keep your brain active. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine to experience the benefits of a stronger memory.